Hey guys, this is Eagle Boy 547 and we are just doing the unpacking of my new Mercurial Victory 2FG soccer shoes. They look pretty nice. Just played around with them a little bit. Felt very comfortable, softened up quickly. And I tried a few finesse shots, basically spin shots, good for that. Tried some power and outer shots, really good for these shoes. And I have to say, I really like them. Just picked them up today. Yeah. They cost today. I went to the Nike store. They cost about $127, but they were on sale, 10% off. So yeah, that was pretty awesome. Yeah, and they're really comfortable. They're soft inside, and these are the new Nike shoes. And I recommend that you buy these ones or the other purple pair. I recommend this because they're like really comfortable, and the inside is really soft, and the bottom may not be as, I didn't buy the advanced pair, but the bottom is pretty good. And yeah, this has been Eagle Boy 547, and bye.